Yeah, of course. And there is a divide between like a general population, upper middle class and middle class, and they can see it like differently. They think that these America and the European, they are the root cause of these problems and all the miseries which have been caused. And there is an Atlanticist class, and they think that the solution for this problem is that we have to move toward or tilt toward the west. So there is a mm, considerable number of people, and they are very affluent, they are very influential. So they are of the view that our future is with the west. So that is another dilemma they have to face. The recent riots, they have started with a legitimate protest by the bazaris, the merchants, and their problem was that their real just bogged down like overnight, and they were having problem with the dollar which government was previously giving them in cash. And they came out for protest, and this is the class which has direct links with the west, and they want this problem to be solved by having some kind of negotiated solution with the west. But the majority of the
What
people,
about
they know that.
Oman? Shazia, what about Oman and the fact that they're going to host the US and Iran talks in Geneva? Do you think that that also, and Switzerland also said that that Oman will host these talks there, and do you think that that might be something that can make some difference when you see other states interfering, trying to not interfering, but trying to sort of diplomatically deal with this issue?
Yes, of course, there has to be some kind of diplomatic solution. And in Oman, we couldn't see a diplomat from the Western side. Jared Kushner and Witkoff, they are not diplomats, they are the New York real estate agents. So they were there to have that discussion, and they don't have any. They are not office holders even in the American government, but they were there with the for that negotiation with the Abbas Arachi, and Abbas Arachi was the only diplomat, and they were not even sitting in the same room. So they were mediators, mediating between the both, and there was just a picture of Jared Kushner shaking hand with Arachi. I don't know what is going to be the format in Geneva, but the most ironic thing is that in the Munich conference, there was a discussion arranged by the Western countries. And that discussion was between Zelensky and Raza Pahlavi, and the topic of the discussion was future of Iran. So if the situation is now Zelensky is discussing future of Iran, I am very skeptical about the future of Iran. So Iran